This is Autovox solar powered backup camera, so very easy to install. You can install this backup camera in maybe 2-3 minutes. There is no wiring at all. Let me show you. I already checked it out. So you have instructions. It comes with 8 months warranty. This is camera with battery. Now in instructions they say you need to charge this camera first through this port to maximum, which I already did, and then this button is turn off camera in case you will be not driving your car for a longer period of time. Then you have your backup monitor and bunch of accessories to put this together. So let's try it. I already checked it out, but I didn't put it on my car yet. So let's see how simple it is. Okay, so this goes inside, monitor goes inside. Let's do camera installation first. Okay, so for my car it is basically as simple as just putting it like this, but depends of course in which country you are. In US you will have different license plates, so you might have to take this holder off, but as you can see for a lot of cars I didn't even use tape, double-sided tape. It holds. I can just push it in and it doesn't even move. So for me very easy installation. Don't forget to install back your license plate. Now let's install our screen. Okay, so to put monitor inside this holder, you simply need to fit these 4 fittings. Okay, move cable out of the way. Just push it in. Power source goes to your 12-volt port. Now you got pretty long cable, so you will be able to find some good space. Probably somewhere on dashboard. Of course that will be different for every car. But just like this, I have working camera in 3 minutes, so description is not lying. Now you can buy this Vox camera, link is in description if you need camera, but if you know how to drive, you maybe want to spend money on something more interesting, and that would be OBD2 scanner. But wait, before you buy any OBD2 scanner, I suggest downloading my OBD2 scanner buyer's guide. It explains scanner features and also different scanner types, so you will understand which scanner type you need, and there are also best options to get. It is completely free and you can download it in description.